Hi guys, and welcome to another Elementor video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to be using the Elementor Master Addons to create this particle background effect here. Really easy to do, and that's pretty striking. That's going to get people's eyes on this section pretty quickly. Elementor Master Addons comes in two flavors. There's a free version and a paid version. And I'll put my affiliate link below this video. They've got some fantastic extensions and extra widgets for the Elementor free version and the pro version, obviously. So let's get started. I've got the page open here. I've got a section. I'm just going to get rid of that and we'll start from scratch. Okay, well, I'm just going to drag a widget down there. Here's all our free Elementor widgets. There's the pro ones. We're using the free today. And at the bottom, you'll find the master add-on widgets. So I'm going to throw in a dual heading. And let's say don't want a link. I'll leave everything pretty much as it is. Get this done quite quickly. Don't want an icon on there. And I'm going to go in to the style. It's got two presets on this particular plugin, but we're not demonstrating, or this widget I should say, that today. Style 1 is a sort of block version. That's fine. But I like that style too for what we got going on today. So the first heading, I'm going to make it a lot bigger for a start. Let's make it 60 pixels. Great. And the actual color itself, I'm going to make that white. And similar for the second heading. It'll kind of disappear a bit into the background, but that's okay. $60 pixels, and we'll make it white. Great. And for the description, we'll just flip that over to white also. There we go. Okay, well, let's start on our section, which is where our nice particle animation is going to be. So just click on the section tab. First thing I want to do is give it a background, so I'm going to go over to style. I'll give it a gradient today. Color, gradient, video, slideshow. I'll make the first color sort of dark grayish. That's fine. And the second color I'm going to make black. Of course, this is entirely up to you how you style yours. Now I also want to give it a bit more space, and it looks like I want to add a bit of padding to the left of that as well. So let's do our section space first, seeing as we're in here. And I'm going to make this quite big so you can see that effect. So I'm going to give it 200 pixels all round. Perfect. And while we're here, let's just go back into here and add a bit of padding to our first heading there. Just want to add a bit on the left, so I'm going to uncheck the chain. There's the left. Let's give it 30 pixels and see what happens. That looks fairly square. Obviously you can add more or less to your taste. Great, so let's go back into our section here and make the particle effect. And to do that, we're in the section, go to Style, and you'll see Master Add-on Particles right here. And you can simply enable it. And that might look a little freaky, that's just a bit of CSS. And if we save this now, update, and preview our changes, we've achieved our desired effect. How quick was that to put that little section together? And you might decide that you want to change the amount of particles, the way that they work. Really easy to do. Also, if we go back there, click here to generate a new JSON file. So let's click there. and it takes you to GitHub, and here it is. And if we go up to particles up here, you can change the shape, the number. I'm not quite sure what the default is, but just drag it up if you want more or less. You can change the color of them if you want to. I'm going to leave mine just there. The size of them, the shape of them. But I'm pretty happy with that is. What I'll do is just save this. Obviously go through here and you can change yours to however you wish. So we've changed this slightly here. Now when you're done editing, you can go down to the bottom, download current config JSON. Just left click on there. I'm using Google Chrome here. As you can see, it's open in my browser. I'm simply going to open that with my code editor brackets. Here it is right here. Select all that, Control A. If you don't have a text editor, I'll put the link for brackets below this video. It's absolutely free and it's a great text editor. So now we've copied that, we can go back to our page, click on the little particle JSON file here, Control A to select all, or however you like to select all, Control V to paste. And there we are, there's our new config. Again, update. And here we are with our new configuration. And like I say, that's a pretty it's a pretty cool effect right there. That's going to get people's eyeballs on that section pretty quickly, which is what you want. So there you go, there's how to add a particle section with the new Elementor Master Addons plugin. I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System 22 and WebDesignAndTechTips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.